Hello Year 8, and this is Miss Bennett again here to see you and have a chat through how your week has been, and just to have a quick check-in with you. So most of you have been okay, a little lower than I would have liked it a little bit higher, but also really, really well done. Most of you are managing to do most of your work. So proud of you for doing that. Continue, and if you need anything, please just ask your teachers or Miss Misson or Miss Williams or myself, and we will be there to help you. Just going on to the next bit, and I asked you to send me some photos of things that you were really proud of, and we had some Warhammer figures there, which people have been doing again, and some amazing science experiments. I am reliably informed that the potions in the corner there is an acid and an alkali, and then there was also a lava lamp that they made, and then in the other one you can just about see at the bottom there are some eyeballs that have been created out of magic crystals. I am very impressed by your ingenuity, keeping yourselves amused. Please send me some more photos and I can share some more of the amazing things that you are getting up to. Work that you were proud of, well, there was loads and loads of that, and lots of people said the same thing, so I've tried not to duplicate too much. But we had lots of art. People were very proud of all the artwork that they had done. History came up really high. English was really, really high. There was lots of people that said English. Science was really good. Geography as well. We've got computer studies. We've got somebody who found their science really good because they found it really hard, but they were so proud that they actually managed to do it. Some baking in there, some maths in there, some PSHE in there. All of them, I think you're proud of all of the stuff that you've been doing and achieving. So well done for keeping going, keeping those high standards, and keep challenging yourself to do better and better and better. What have you been doing to keep yourself active and healthy and mentally healthy? Well, lots of things again, and really good spread of different activities you've been doing there. Lots of people having chats with their family and friends, which is brilliant, really important to keep those communication lines open. But also some other things like exercising. I'm going to talk about that a little bit again later. But also singing, some baking, taking some breaks from social media, all really healthy things. You seem to have got yourselves into some really healthy habits, so well done for that. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. I asked for some thank yous, and last year we sent them out directly. This year I thought we'd do it a little bit differently. I'm not putting second names on, but I think you can probably work out who said what to whom, and if any of you want to say thank you to anybody else, then please just pop it on the weekly check-in that I do with you, the survey, and I will add those in. The ones to the staff go directly to the staff, and they are so very appreciative when you sit there and make comments, especially when it's to specific staff. They really enjoy knowing what it is that they've done well for you and what you've appreciated their help with. But we've got a few people on there you can see what they're saying. Really helpful, really good friendships, really good support. So keep helping each other, everybody. Some top tips from you to you. So this is not from me, nothing to do with me. This is all about you, what you think is going on well. So taking some time out and walking around the garden, or going for a quick walk outside, having a chat with some of your friends, baking or cooking. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, then just take a quick break. Make sure you're active and you don't just sit there all day. It will help you feel better. Definitely will. And if you're lucky enough to have a dog or a pet or another sibling, then go and play with them and have some fun as well. And last but not least, keep smiling. It will all be over soon. Just to reiterate, you've had these all as emails, but just to remind you, there is daily fitness every single morning at 8:30 a.m. I believe it is also recorded, so if you can't do it at 8:30, try and do it later on in the day. But Mr. Sari is making you a video every day to try and keep you fit and healthy. Miss Kirby Smith has sent you an email about the Great Samuel Ward ISO Bake Off. It's a house competition, so you can earn points for your house by cooking something that you've got at home, and trying to think about what you can do. And then there's also a Times Table Rockstars competition, so make sure you check out those emails from Miss Kirby Smith to see for more details of those. Now, Miss Powell sends this out every week as well, but just to remind you, if you are feeling a little bit down, or you want to have a chat with somebody, there are lots of places that you can get help. So there's the Emotional Wellbeing Hub, there's the school nurses, and there's Kooth. as well as emailing Miss Williams, Miss Smithson or myself, or your form tutors. All of us are waiting for you. If you need us, we will try and make contact with you as quickly as we can. Again, I'm putting out the survey again today. Fill that in. Make sure you're telling us how you're doing. We really, really care about that. We really, really want to make sure that you are all right. And if you're not, please, please, please tell us and get some help. You are not the only one in that boat, I am sure. And just talking about things sometimes can really, really help. So, any of those things, if you need us, come and find us, okay? We are not very far away and we are more than happy to help. And just to leave you on a last bit, you might want to pause here and take it all in. I thought maybe you could try and use those brains in a slightly different way and see if you could work out what these 14 films are. I will, if you want, send you the answers next week when I send out the next video, and see how many of those you can work out what films those are. Right, have a really, really good week, everybody. Fill in the survey for me, and if you need us, remember we are here. Really take care of yourselves. Bye.